Dear passengers, I am deeply honored to welcome you aboard the Solar Voyager's deck. Today, we bear witness to a momentous occasion in history.
As humanity, we are taking a step to push the boundaries we have yet to discover, to unlock the mysteries of space.
Together, we will not only prove that the sky is not the limit, but that the entire universe has no bounds. Now, please take your seats, fasten your seatbelts, and get ready for this magnificent journey through the solar system aboard the Solar Voyager. Our first stop is the Sun. This star, located at the center of the solar system, provides us with light and warmth. The Sun generates energy through the nuclear fusion of hydrogen. With an approximate age of 4.6 billion years, this massive gaseous sphere has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, making it the largest object in the solar system.
Caution, high temperature and increased radiation.
Then let's go to our second stop, the planet Mercury. Mercury is a very hot planet due to its close proximity to the Sun.
This means that it can have extremely high daytime temperatures, about 800 Fahrenheit, and very cold nighttime temperatures negative to 190 Fahrenheit.
Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, so it's not suitable for human life. Its atmosphere consists primarily of helium with trace amounts of other gases. Mercury's surface is barren and filled with craters.
These craters are the result of numerous impact events in space.
Mercury has been observed by ancient civilizations, but its detailed study began with the invention of the telescope. Let's now turn to Venus.
Venus is one of the planets most similar to Earth, but it has a very different atmosphere.
Due to its dense carbon dioxide clouds, a greenhouse effect occurs here, and temperatures can rise up to 465 degrees Celsius.
Venus is considered highly inhospitable for life due to its extreme temperatures, high-pressure atmosphere,
and acid rain, making it generally not a priority target in the search for extraterrestrial life.
Many spacecraft have been sent to explore the surface of Venus.
The most well-known ones are the Soviet Union's Venera program and NASA's Magellan mission.
Let's go, our next planet Earth.
And here we are, our home, Earth. The Earth is approximately round with a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers. It ranks third in relation to the Sun and is located at an average distance of approximately 149.6 million kilometers from the Sun. Earth is known as the only planet that supports life. With its oceans, forests, and diverse creatures, it's a magnificent planet. Its atmosphere is filled with oxygen and nitrogen.
As our journey to the planet Mars begins, the Earth's satellite is presented to us with all its beauty.
Our current stop is the planet Mars. Mars is known as the Red Planet due to its crimson-colored surface, and it is famous for its vast canyons and craters. Humans are planning to explore this planet, and signs of water have been discovered.
Mars has become a major focus of space exploration and is considered a potential destination for future human settlements by scientists. Observations and discoveries continue to be made to learn more about the planet.
Our current stop is the planet Jupiter.
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, measuring approximately 139,822 kilometers in diameter. This means that Jupiter is larger than all the other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium gases, classifying it as a gas giant. It has no solid surface because its outer layers are covered in gases. Jupiter has rings, but these rings are so thin and faint that they are generally not visible to the naked eye.
One of Jupiter's most famous features is a massive red spot known as the Great Red Spot, which is a giant storm system.
This storm has been observed for hundreds of years.
Now let's go to the planet Saturn. Saturn is considered the sixth planet in the solar system and is the second largest planet after Jupiter. Saturn's most famous feature is probably its magnificent rings that surround it.
These rings are composed of ice and rock particles and come in various widths and densities. Saturn is surrounded by hundreds of moons.
Its largest moon, Titan, is the second largest known moon in the solar system and has a significant atmosphere.
Other important moons include Enceladus, Mimas, Rhea, and Iapetus.
Now we are on Uranus, one of the most distant planets of the solar system.
Uranus, unlike other planets in the solar system, has a significantly tilted axis. In other words, its axis is almost horizontal relative to the Sun.
As a result, the seasons on Uranus are quite different from those on other planets. Uranus is surrounded by a thin ring system. While these rings are not as prominent as those of Jupiter and Saturn, they are still observable.
Uranus' atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane gases, which are the factors that determine the planet's color and characteristics.
Methane gas is responsible for the planet's blue appearance.
Our last stop is Neptune.
Neptune is a blue planet and is considered a large gas giant. Neptune takes about 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Its own rotation on its axis takes approximately 16 hours. Neptune is located at an average distance of approximately 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. And here we've come to the end of a fantastic tour to explore the planets of the solar system in more detail.
I hope this journey has been enjoyable for you. Remember, there are many more fascinating things to discover beyond the solar system.
I invite you to embark on other wonderful explorations.
Science and technology are constantly advancing to allow us to make more discoveries within the solar system and beyond. Safe travels.